Good morning children. We will discuss about India relief features. It is a 10th class first lesson. Relief feature is also known as a physical features. Physical features nothing but a different types of landforms. Today we will discuss about what is the location of India in the world, what is the location of India and boundaries of India, water bodies of India. These things are we know in this class. Okay children, let us see in these points in the world map. Children, look at the map 1 carefully. Which map is this children? This map is world map. Very good. In this world map we have 7 continents. First one is North America continent, South America continent, Europe continent, Africa continent, Asia continent, Australia continent, and in the down Antarctica continent. These 7 continents in the world. Next, this blue color shows water bodies. In this map we observe the great 5 oceans. That is one Pacific Ocean, second one Atlantic Ocean, third one Indian Ocean, fourth one in the above the world map Arctic Ocean, fifth ocean is the Antarctica Ocean. It is the southern ocean. It is also Antarctica Ocean is also called as the southern ocean. Okay children, now we see the what is the location of India. In this continents, Asian continent is the biggest continent in the world. In this map, our country India located in the Asian continent. Our India lies in the Asian continent, in the southern part of the Asian continent. Children, observe these lines, horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are latitude lines, imaginary latitude lines. These vertical lines are latitude lines. These longitude lines also called as the imaginary lines. In this world map, 0 degree equator divides the world to half of the hemisphere. In the world map, Asian continent lies in the north hemisphere. In this Asian continent, our India country lies in the southern part of the Asia continent. Do you understand children? Next, we will go to the next map 2. Which map is this children? This map is India map. Very good. In this India map, we learn about first of all directions, latitudinal and longitudinal extensions, countries, surrounding countries, water bodies and distance. So here directions we learn already in the last classes, in the previous classes. North, it is the north direction, south direction, east direction, west direction. East, west, north and south directions in our country. Next, latitudinal and longitudinal extension. So these lines are latitude lines. Children, look these lines carefully. 0 degree longitude, 0 degree latitude. These are latitudes. 4, 5, 6, 7. These are latitudes. These lines are longitudes. What is the location of latitudinal and longitudinal extension in this India? Our India starts 8 degrees 4 minutes and 30 degrees 6 minutes latitudes. Our India location between the 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes latitudinal situation. India is between these latitudes. Next, these are longitudes. These lines are longitudes. What is the longitudinal situation in India. These lines are longitude lines. We know 68 degrees 7 minutes. India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes. India lies between these longitudes. Children, observe carefully. This is the India latitudinal and longitudinal position. Next, surrounding countries. India has many surrounding countries such as Pakistan. Here Pakistan, here Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar, Sri Lanka. These are surrounding countries of India. Let us see again: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. These are surrounding of our countries. Next, water bodies. In the eastern sides, Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal. This is water body in the east direction. Here Arabian Sea, Arabian Sea, Arabian Sea in the west direction of our India. Here in the down, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. These are water bodies. Our India is surrounded by water bodies in three sides. This is also called as peninsula. What is mean by peninsula? Peninsula means which region has three sides of the water and one side of the land. India has three sides of the water. In the east, Bay of Bengal, and west, Arabian Sea, and south, Indian Ocean. In the north, Himalaya ranges are formed. This is the water bodies of India. Next, distance. What is the distance of east and west directions in the India? Let us see east and west. East to west, 2,933 kilometers distance. This is the distance to east to west directions. What is the distance between north and south? Children, listen carefully. 3,214 kilometers. This is the distance of the north direction to south direction. Let us see. In this India map, one tropic is pass on the middle of the India. That is tropic of 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree, tropic of Capricorn. This is very important in the public examinations. This 23.5 degree tropic of Cancer go to the many states. Gujarat, little portion of the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. In these states, this tropic of Cancer pass on in these states. Children, we discuss about geological background of India. Millions of years ago, we have only one marshland on the world. Children, observe carefully. This is only one landmass. Millions of years ago on the earth. One marshland is also known as the Pangea. Pangea means total earth. total earth. This is Pangea. Then several millions years ago, this Pangea split into two pieces. That is, one is Angara land. This is also called as the Laurasia. Second one is Gondwana. Second one is Gondwana. Children, carefully observe. Millions of years ago, we have only one marshland on the earth. Then this marshland is also called as Pangea. Pangea split into two lands. First one is Angara land. This is also called as the Laurasia. Second one is Gondwana. Our country, India, is part of the Gondwana land. Already we learned the tectonic plate system in 9th class. Our total 7 continents and 5 great oceans on the plates. Already we know that in large and small size plates on the earth. Here Indo-Australia plate. In this Indo-Australia plate, India and Australia, these two countries in the part of the Gondwana land. Some years ago, this India and Australia, this is plate. These two countries on one plate. This plate was split into two lands. Our Indian peninsula moved from northeast. These India and Australia lands move from Gondwana land. This India and Australia move opposite direction. This is India land move from Australia to northeast. Australia plate move from south direction. In this situation, our Indian peninsular plate collide the Eurasia landmass. It is a Indian peninsula landmass. Here it is a Eurasia land mass or Eurasian plate. Indian plate collide the Eurasia plate. Children, look this. This is a Indian peninsular plate. This is a Eurasia plate. In this situation, two plates are collide, pushing and collide. In the situation, Himalayan mountains are formed millions of years ago. This is the plate tectonic system. Let us see the major relief divisions. Here, major relief divisions are 6. One is the Himalayas, second one is the Indo-Gangetic plains, third one is the Peninsular plateau, fourth one is the coastal plains, fifth one is the desert, sixth one is the islands. These are 6 major relief divisions. Now, let us see the first one, the Himalayas. Here we see the formation of Himalayas. Already we learned about formation of Himalayas. 200 million years ago, our Indian Peninsula plate collide to the Eurasian plate. In this process, Himalayas are formed. Here, children, look at the map. Here, these are Himalayan ranges. Himalayan ranges stretched from west to east. Himalayan ranges stretched from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. These Himalayas are stretched on arch shape. Arch shape. Children, see this. This is arch shape. These Himalayas are three parallel ranges. One is Himadri. One is Himadri. Himadri is also known as the Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. Second one is Himachal ranges. Himachal ranges. Himachal ranges are Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. Next, third one is Shivaliks. Shivalik ranges. These are part of the Himalayan ranges. Here, Himalayan ranges width is 500 kilometers in western region, 200 kilometers central and eastern region. Here, Himalaya in west direction. Then these Himalayas are going to the eastwards. Here 200 kilometers width and central and eastern region. These Himalayas are very important to in this topic. Now we see the Himadri are greater. This greater Himalayas, what is the width, what is the average elevation, these things are we learn in this class. Width, Himalayas height. Himalayas, Himadri or greater Himalayas height is 6,100 meters height. Students, I will explain once again. In this Himalaya ranges, Himadri are greater Himalayas. Height is 6,100 meters height. Here, many rivers originated from Himalaya ranges, and perennial rivers also originate from Himalaya ranges. Here, glaciers are there in Himalayas. Evergreen forest also in Himalayas. Perennial rivers. Perennial rivers means rivers did not dry up. Rivers flowing continuously throughout the year. This is called as the perennial river. Because what is the reason to flowing the perennial rivers in throughout the year? Two reasons are there. Because of Himalayas are source of rainfall, and Himalayas totally cover with ice. These are two reasons in perennial rivers. Next we will go to the next two Himachal or lesser Himalayas. Himachal or lesser Himalayas. Second one is Himachal or lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas height is 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. Here, lesser Himalayas has a values, different values, famous valleys in Jammu Kashmir and Kulu Manali valleys in Himachal Pradesh. And Tirpanjal ranges and Mahabharata ranges originated in Himachal ranges. Tirpanjal ranges and Mahabharata ranges. Mahabharata ranges famous in lesser Himalayas. Next, some important hill stations are in lesser Himalayas. Simla, Nainital, Ranikhet and Mussoorie. These are hill stations located in lesser Himalayas. Next, we will go to the Shivalik ranges. This is the Himadri or Greater Himalayas. Second one is Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Third one is Shivalik ranges. Shivalik ranges is also important in Himalaya ranges. Shivalik ranges width is 10 to 50 kilometers width. Shivaliks. Here in so many hills in Shivalik ranges. So many Shivalik ranges called in different names in different states. For example, Kashmir, Assam, Jammu Hills in Jammu Kashmir, Assam in Kachar Hills. They called in Kachar Hills in Assam. Mishmi Hills. Mishmi Hills belongs to the Arunachal Pradesh. Here, different hill regions in Shivalik ranges. They called that region names also Jammu Hills in Jammu Kashmir, Kachar Hills in Assam, Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. Children, look at the carefully. This is the Shivalik ranges. Here, in this situation, the Shivalik takes hairpin bend to the south and form the hills in northeastern states. These are also called as the Purvanchal states. Look at the children here. Purvanchal or Patkai. Purvanchal or Patkai hills. Purvanchal and Patkai hills in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Naga hills in Nagaland. Naga hills in Nagaland. Mizo hills in Mizoram. Here, Meghalaya. Khasi hills, Garo hills, Jaintia hills. These are hills in formed a Shivalik ranges. Now we see the importance of Himalayas. What is the importance of Himalayas? Himalayas are very useful to our nation. These are act on barrier. Let us see importance of Himalayas. These Himalayas act a barriers. act a barriers, because many countries, for example Pakistan and China countries are opposite to Indian country. They attack to the Indian country. So here Himalayas located in north side. These are protected to the protect us and also protect the crops also. The Himalayas ranges stopped the cold winds from Central Asia. Here monsoon season, monsoon climate. The Himalayas create the monsoon climate also. These are improve the and encouraging the tourism. Encourage the tourism. The Himalayas are source of rain. Source of rain. Good environment. Good ecological environment. See children, here question is what is the importance of Himalayas. It is very important to public examination. Himalayas act a barriers, protect us, not only people but also protect the crops also. Himalayan ranges support to the agriculture system. In Himalayas many rivers, perennial rivers are originated in Himalayas. Monsoon climate. The Himalayas are supported to monsoon climate condition to our India. The Himalayas are encourage the tourism and also source of rain. Another one is here fertile land. Source of rain. Next one is good ecological environment. So our Himalayas are very important to our country. Children, let us see the second major relief division is the Indo-Gangetic plains. The Indo-Gangetic plains are very fertile land. Now we see the formation of Indo-Gangetic plains. Students, in these Indo-Gangetic plains are very useful to in our country. How these Indo-Gangetic plains are formed? These Indo-Gangetic plains are formed whenever 200 million years ago the Indian Peninsular plateau and Eurasian plateau, those are collided. In this situation, children, look at this here. This is the Indian plate. This is the Eurasian plate. These are collided to each other. In this situation, here this is a shallow basin. Form a shallow basin. Shallow basin or low basin. Low basin formed. Here the Indo-Gangetic plains are three types. First one is western part, second one is the central part, the third one is the eastern part. The western part is also called as the Indus plains. Indus plains. Second one is the central part is also called as the Gangetic plains. Gangetic plains. Third one is eastern part. Eastern part is also called as the Brahmaputra plains. Brahmaputra plains. Children, I will explain you once again. The Indo-Gangetic plains are formed in several years ago. This formation is why these are Indo-Gangetic plains are formed 200 million years ago. Our peninsular India plate collide to the Eurasian plate. In this situation, low basin formed. Here, low basin. This is low basin. Here, so many rivers, perennial rivers originated in Himalayan ranges. These Himalayan ranges are flowing into this low basin. These Himalayan ranges are brought alluvial, silt, clay deposit in this low basin. These are equal. Here, this is a plain. Before, this is a low basin. When rivers are brought, the alluvial, silt, clay formation of in this low basin. Now, this is a fertile plains. This is formed in fertile plains. Here, the Indo-Gangetic plains are formed by the three major rivers. First one is Indus River. The central part are the western part are Indus plains are due to formation with the help of Indus River. It is a Indus River. Indus River flowing major part in Pakistan, only little part of in our country Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. This is a Indus River. Here it is a Ganga River. Children, all of you look at the picture. So it is a Brahmaputra River. Indo-Gangetic plains are formed with the help of these three rivers. First one is Indus River, second one is Ganga River, third one is Brahmaputra River. The western part or Indus plains are formed with the help of Indus River and its tributaries. What are the tributaries of Indus River? Children, all of you look at the board carefully. Here, Indus River and its tributaries. How many tributaries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tributaries to the Indus River. One is the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj. These tributaries to the Indus River. So, the western part are Indus plains are formed with the help of Indus River and its tributaries. Next, second one is the central part and Gangetic plains. Here, this is the central part. Here, this is the western part. Here it is a western part. In this place is central part or central plains. Central plains formed due to the Ganga River and its tributaries. Ganga River originated from Himalayas. Indus rivers also originated from Himalayas. Brahmaputra River also originated in Himalayas. These are perennial rivers. These rivers brought the alluvium, silt, clay and deposit to this region. These plains are Indo-Gangetic plains are very fertile. These fertile plains are very useful to in our country. These plains are very supportive to agricultural sector. Here Ganga river is started Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal. So these places are Uttarakhand to West Bengal. These plains are Gangetic plains are central plains. The central plains are Gangetic plains formed with the help of Ganga river and its Ganga tributaries. Let us see Ganga river. What are the tributaries of Ganga river? Here Gomati, Gaggar and Gandak. Gomati, Gaggar and Gandak. These are tributaries of Ganga river like this. These are tributaries of Ganga river. This region is very fertile land. Next one is Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river also originated in Himalayan ranges. This is also one of the perennial river. This river flowing to the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Brahmaputra, here children look at this board. Here Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river and its tributaries created the Brahmaputra plains or eastern plains. Look, children, look this. Here it is the eastern plains. Eastern plains formed with the help of the Brahmaputra river and its tributaries. See, what are the tributaries of Brahmaputra river? Here Dibang, Lohit. These two tributaries to the Brahmaputra river. This fertile plains is very useful to our Indian economy. So that's why many of the people living in this Indo-Gangetic plains and developed their lives. It is also improve the economical position in our country.